Hi everyone, and welcome to this YouTube series on mastering modern controls in Power Apps. This series is designed to help you confidently build professional and user-friendly apps. So here is what you will achieve as you follow along. Understanding styles and themes to create visual appealing apps. Learn how to design a travel booking form step by step while exploring modern controls. Compare modern controls with classic controls to understand when and why to use them. Build an advanced issue tracking form that leverages tables and form controls. This series is packed with hands-on example and practical walkthroughs. By the end of it, you will have a complete knowledge of building Power Apps using modern controls like a pro. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, transitioning to modern controls, this series has everything you need. Now let's dive straight into our first lesson and start exploring modern controls in action.
What are modern controls? Modern controls in Power Apps are new set of controls that are based on Microsoft Fluent Design System. These controls are quicker and simple to configure. They are having high performance. They are visual appealing. By using these controls, you can improve Power Apps look and feel to the next level. To enable modern controls, go to Settings. In the Update section, under New, just turn on Modern Controls and Themes. Earlier in Power Apps, there were classic themes, but these were not so effective. But now Microsoft has improvised these themes in modern controls. Basically, these themes contains three sections: font, color, and name of the themes. Let's see themes in action. I'm in the Power App Studio. So at left hand side, you can see this theme icon. Just click on that. There are 8 themes available out of the box. So let's add a button to observe the impact of these themes on a button. For that, click on Insert, search for button. So you will find 2 buttons over here. The first one is Modern button, and under Classic section, this is the Old button. So we will choose Modern button. So I added this Modern button over here. Now press Alt key and see if you change the theme, how your buttons are getting changed. So let me make it bigger size. So I'll change this theme, and you can see our buttons color is getting changed according to the current selected themes. If we need to create a new theme, that's very simple. So click on Add a Theme button. As you can see, we can create new themes by providing 3 main input parameters, which is theme name, font, and the color. So let's create a new theme. So I'll write a theme name as, say, training theme. I'll choose color as Lato, and I choose, let's see, the light blue color. I'll choose this color. Okay. So here you can see the hexacode of the color as well as RGB. So the torsion is, you can tint the shade and tone of the palette. So this will impact the shade, and you can also change the vibrancy, where you can change the brightness of the palette, and this is mainly applicable for the lighter colors. If you come down, so here below you can see the preview tab. Expand this. So in preview tab, you can see how your theme will look like on these controls. Now click on create to make this theme. So you can see here our training theme has been created successfully. So you can see there are 3 dots icon on the theme. So if you click it, you will see an option for edit and delete. So if you want to edit the theme, just click on that. So here you can edit the existing theme. So let's try to edit this. I'll make color of this. Click on save. As you can see, we have successfully edited our training theme. In case you want to delete it, you can choose the delete option. So you can edit and delete only those themes which are custom, which is made by you. But for the out of the box theme, you won't find this option for deleting or editing the themes. One more thing, you can't export this theme. So in case you have to use this theme on another app, then you need to record this custom theme again in that app. So as you can see, let me go to again on the edit section. There are 16 palettes which are generated out of the base theme. So in case you want to use these palette themes, how you gonna use? For that, let's add one button control. I'll choose the classic button this time. So classic button also you will get the by default theme, it will be implied. But here you can change the color properties. Go to its fill section and you can see here the fill color is app.themes.colors.primary. If you remove that, here you can see all the 16 color palettes starting from dark 10 to darker 70 and lighter 10 to lighter 80. Along with that you get two colors, primary and primary foreground. For example, let's change it to darker 50. So you can see the color has been changed, and if we choose the lighter one, now this color has been changed. Now how to get all these available shade of this theme? So for that, simply add one text box. You can choose any one, and the default property you will write JSON function. So here you will write app dot hit enter. You can see the complete JSON of this theme. I'll copy all the JSON over here, and here I'll search for the JSON beautifier. Let's choose this one, JSON formatter. Paste it, choose the tree option. Now in the right section, you can see all the color palettes available for this theme, which you can choose in your app. Now suppose you want to use this color, lighter 10, go to the Power App Studio. So here you can choose lighter 10. So this button will automatically change its fill color according to that color theme. So earlier we have classic themes, but these are now retired by Microsoft. If you want to see that, you can go to settings, go to updates, and under retired section, just search for theme. You can see keep classic themes. So if this is turned on, you will be able to use the classic theme as well in your app. There may be a use case when you want to give user a different theme look and feel on the change of a button. For that, let's add one classic drop down. This item property, let's add the theme names. So I'll add some of the themes. This is red theme, comma, I'll open this theme palette here. Then we have purple theme, comma, there is Power App theme. You can just provide the theme names. There is one theme 1, Teams theme. There is one SharePoint theme, red theme, orange theme, green, and one is left, platinum. Close this. So in the value property, I've changed this to name so that it displays only the name of the themes. Okay. So now let's do one thing. Go to the app section, and there you will find a new property which is theme. Just go to that, and here let me rename this to theme dropdown, DDL theme. Okay. So in the app, so here what I want is this app should choose all the themes which are currently selected in this drop down. So I'll write here DDL themes dot selected. Now before we run the dynamic theme, so let's add some controls on the canvas. I'll remove this. This is not required. I'll add one header control, add one label. Let me add one slider. We make it checked one. Now you can see dynamically user can change the theme. So whatever modern controls we have used in this tutorial, we will cover all these controls in detail in the upcoming videos. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you.
I hope this was helpful. To boost your Power App career, I have included a free ebook with Power Apps interview questions and answers. Download link is given in the description. Take care.